So hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Path Plastic Company, and this is an exclusive wholesale outlet of plastic. You get all types of plastic here. It comes in Jolly Mohalla, PVR Road, opposite Ganesh Hotel. So I'm just showing you a location. When you come to Chickpet metro station, you have to come here and there'll be a landmark called Mamta Bar. So this is a Mamta Bar. So from here you have to keep going straight and his outlet will come. So then you have to take this right. First right you have to take. Right opposite to this road, you have to just check. You have to take this right and you have to come inside this road. So when you come here, this is a hotel. You can just check Hotel India International. So right opposite to this, his outlet will come, and his outlet name is Path Plastic Company. You get all types of plastic here. And so this is outlet. You can just check. You get all types of plastic here, and all these numbers are getting displayed in the video screen. If you're interested in buying any of his product, if you want to know the catalog, if you want to know the prices, you can directly WhatsApp him and he'll get back to you with all the details. If you want to make video call also, you can ask him. So right now I'm introducing you to Mr. Vikram. आपके पास कौन सा ब्रांड मिल जाता है सर यहाँ पे?
हमारे पास मिलता है जोयो, अरिस्टो, नाकोडा, वी प्लास्ट, जागो, जनता और
आपके पास डस्टबिन वो सब कुछ मिल जाता
सब
है?
आइटम मिलेगा आपको।
सर आपका कुछ सैंपल्स दिखाओगे सर?
दिखाता हूँ सर। देखिए ये हमारे ड्राई फ्रूट बॉक्स है।
ओके, दिस आर ड्राई फ्रूट बॉक्स।
ये 350
350 रुपीज। ओके, इसमें साइज मिल जाता है ना सर?
मिल जाएगा सर आपको।
तो छोटा साइज का कितना लगता है सर?
छोटा साइज मिलेगा आपको सर 140 में मिल जाएगा।
So in this you will get 140 rupees also, small size. And just check this. He's having all types of plastic, glass, mugs, everything you have, all the kitchen household items you are having. These are the dry fruit box again. और ये कितने का है सर?
ये 140 का सर।
This is 140 rupees. Very nice, and he is also having water bottles and also. If you are looking for water bottles, each and everything is having here, and all the plastics item, everything you'll get total wholesale outlet, wholesale price. And just check this, all these are there, all the mugs and all the jars are there. So very nice place. And ये कितने का सर?
ये पड़ेगा आपको 180 पड़ेगा सर।
180 rupees, very reasonable. So nice this looks. I thought it must be around 700 rupees, but just 180 rupees, very reasonable. All his numbers are there in the video screen. If you want to buy any of his product, if you want to know any more detail, directly WhatsApp him. You will get all the details. And just check, you get all these trays also, vegetable trays, everything you will get here. Very nice place.
ये हमारे पास लंच बॉक्स है।
Okay.
ये ऑटोमेटिक खिलता है।
अच्छा, ये दो का है सर? So this is a lunch box. You can just check. And ये कितने का है सर?
ये पड़ेगा आपको 450 का।
450 rupees it will cost you. And very nice lunch box this is. Oh, in this also you will get lot of varieties, lot of types of lunch box and all you will get here. So everything you are having here. And apart from that, you can just check all these are the jars, different kinds of jars and all. And if you are looking for lighters, he's having lighters also. So everything you will get here. और क्या क्या मिलता है सर आपके पास?
हमारे पास मिलेगा किचन का आइटम, ये ऑयल कैन।
Okay, this is oil can. ये कितने का है सर?
ऑयल कैन ये पड़ेगा आपको 60 रुपीज।
This is just 60 rupees. You can just check oil can. Very nice this is.
ये पड़ेगा ब्रश स्टैंड।
Okay, how much is this sir?
80 रुपीज पड़ेगा।
This is 80 rupees. So if you are looking this 80 rupees, that's all. And just check his shop. Very big shop, very huge shop. Comes all his address are there in the description below.
हाँ, ये स्टील का जार मिलेगा आपको।
ये कितने का है सर?
ये पड़ेगा 120 रुपये का।
This is 120 rupees, three pieces, and it comes near Chickpet metro station. Landmark, everything I've told you. And apart from that, one more landmark is at Mamta Bar. So all his landmarks are there. Wow. ये कितने का है सर?
ये पड़ेगा आपको ये 96 डजन।
96 rupees.
हाँ, 8 रुपये।
Just 96 rupees. You are getting almost 3, 6, 9, 12 piece. You are getting very nice, so reasonable. Same thing if you buy from showroom, you will pay at least 300, 400. And he's having all these vegetable trays also. And all the cups, everything he's having. And this, if you're looking for bathroom and all these types of things, the bathroom sitting things and all, he's having all these things also. And this all are the kitchen, products he's having. And just check this.
कपड़े का क्लिप भी है।
अच्छा, ये कितने का है सर?
Only for 25।
25 rupees you are getting clips. What else you want? 25 rupees. Not even, one pizza will also cost you 200 rupees. Here you are getting clips and all for 25 rupees. So very nice place. And he's having a lot of types of products. I personally liked it. total wholesale outlet, and you can meet him whenever you come.
ये कंटेनर
कितने का है सर
ये पड़ेगा आपको 40 रुपये का।
So this is just 40 rupees. You can just check. In this also you'll get size, small, big मिल जाएगा ना सर?
सब मिलेगा, 4 चाहिए आता है इसमें से।
So in this you'll get 4 size. ये कितने का है सर?
ये पड़ेगा आपको 60 रुपये का।
This 60 rupees.
ये पड़ेगा 75।
75.
ये पड़ेगा 150।
This 150. So this all other size, small, medium, big, large. So different size, different prices. Apart from that, just check all this water bottle. ये कितने का है सर?
अच्छा ये वाला 30 रुपये का।
30 rupees water bottle. Very nice.
मग है।
Okay, this is a mug. You can just check. ये किस लिए यूज होता है?
ये सर मिल्क मग है।
अच्छा मिल्क मग. Okay.
ये बोल तो गर्म रहेगा इसमें।
Very nice. First time I'm seeing. ये कितने का है सर?
ये पड़ेगा 60 रुपये का।
60 rupees milk mug and it will stay hot in this. He's telling. Trays.
प्लास्टिक का ट्रे है।
Okay. इसमें साइज मिल जाएगा ना?
मिल जाएगा, इसमें 3 साइज मिलेगा आपको।
Okay. So all these trays are there. You'll get all the trays and all, and this all are there. You can just check.
बास्केट है।
Basket is कितने का है सर ये?
तो ये सर 20 रुपये का।
20 rupees. And all the plates, plastic plate.
इसमें 3 पार्ट मिलेगा।
Okay. 3 part. ये कितने का है सर?
ये पड़ेगा 25 का।
25 rupees.
ये
Okay. कितना पीस आएगा 25 rupees में?
1 पीस 20
1 piece 25. 1 piece. Okay.
ये पड़ेगा 1 पीस 20 रुपीज है।
20 rupees. Okay.
ये पड़ेगा 30 रुपया, 30 रुपीज।
30 rupees.
Ah.
Okay. So I wind up. I just want to tell that this place is having all types of plastic, and you're getting for very reasonable price. And I'll highly recommend you people also come to his outlet. And I'm sure you'll love his collection. And I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination.